Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video segment, I'm going to show you how to replace a cabin air filter in a Workstar International. If you're not a subscriber, hit that little red button over to the right, become a subscriber right away. You don't need any tools, and we have two clips. Just going to push back on the lever here. Go over here and just pull forward. Just pull it right up. Just going to toss this to the side. And this is the part number for the new one. Just want to put the new one in place. And we just put our cover back on. Make sure our clips are lined up. May have to push down on a hair. There you go. This one here, you push down and just pull it out. That's all you had to do. I want to thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care, and God bless.